Okay, so I can't talk, okay, in front of tea garden because my face is not visible. So right now I need to talk in this way. I've already shown you the view of nature, the view of tea garden, and also sunset. Okay, sunset. I have also shown you sunset and bird chirping. You can listen this, and in that way, I want to start this conversation between us. I'm talking to you as a self talk, as well as I'm talking to you in front of camera, and you can listen this what I'm talking and how I'm talking and how I'm talking. You can learn English just by speaking in front of camera. Start speaking. I can only say this right now. What is coming in my mind? That is, start recording. Don't wait for time. Right now, how I'm doing, you can copy me. You can imitate me. How I'm speaking, what I'm doing, how I'm doing any activity for learning English. You can just copy or you can imitate me, right? I'm not talking about that what I'm doing you can do, but as a practice or as a activity you can take. That what I'm doing, you can just learn. You can also do on your own. See, I am practicing alone, then how can you tell that without partner, without environment, how can we talk? Make it. If you can't make partners or if you have no environment, then create your environment. I know there is a place where you can talk. Go in the park, go to the park, go to the anywhere where you can make, at least you can speak something in English. Do hard work. So right now I'm doing hard work. You can see I did video. I created that video and I really wanted to see that. My phone was switched off, right? So I didn't get. But still I came and I'm talking and recording. I was making angle of the phone where should I shoot, because this is a challenge as well. This is a challenge to create video at any place. Okay, like on the terrace, some noises are coming. Birds chirping is quite amazing. That is, I'm not saying, but other noise, you know view is good but I am not looking good. Sometimes we feel due to also weather and also like angle. If angle is not correct, then we don't look good. Right now I'm focusing here, but if I do focus there, in front of garden, then it looks too much black, then you will not watch this video. So we need to be careful for everything by using this mic. With this mic I'm talking to you because I knew the importance of mic and the quality of video. So that's why I'm doing these things. You need to maintain also these things, right? So whenever you are, if you are making videos for your YouTube, you need to see mic and quality as well. So guys, don't, so friends or learners of English, don't wait for time. Just do it. Start taking action like us, those who make content in English but they are Indian. See, they are doing hard work. They are doing many activities. That's the reason they are able to speak in front of camera and they are making videos for YouTube. What about you? You are watching only videos. Don't watch only videos. Right now you are watching me. If you are a beginner, you are watching right now and you are understanding what I'm doing. I'm making self video. I'm talking in front of camera. I'm speaking in English. I'm improving my English and I can improve my personality with this. Through speaking English, I can improve everything. I'm talking. Okay? So speaking is important, that is I'm doing. Not only for English, but for myself. That speaking is important. And many people feel that self-talk, talking alone, is it possible to do? Or isn't that funny way to do, like talking to yourself, doing alone everything, talking alone in front of camera? Isn't that crazy? People think about. Let me tell you one thing. I learned most of the time talking self-talk. I have learned English because of self-talk, I would say. Nowadays I am having conversations few months, like 10 months, but before that I was also speaking in front of camera. I was recording myself. I was speaking in English. So think about it. It's not like that only having conversation with people it's enough, but you need to speak. You need to speak. It can be alone, it can be It can be self practice, it can be with people. Whatever you can do it. Okay, I'm talking too much today. I think this much for today. I don't want to make longer video because today I'm talking and I'm quite tired. I'm telling you, let me tell you my today, today's routine, how it was, what I did today's routine. If I tell you, then I had sessions and I completed maybe 4 or 5 sessions. Not 4 or 5 sessions, I think 4 sessions I have completed till now, and still I'm making videos for you too. See the struggle, see the hard work. This is called hard work. Making videos, self-talk doing, and still having conversation with people. And also at night I will teach English. Sometimes it's very hectic, but it's important for me. I'm exploring, I'm learning, so it is important. At night I will teach students. That is my online classes. So yeah, this is all about for today. Now it's evening time. I will go and I will have my evening tea. These days I'm also avoiding. These days I'm avoiding taking tea, but still sometimes I feel now I'm tired. I have been speaking since morning, guys. Like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. It's like I completed more than 3 4 hours. And right now I'm speaking. So completed for 5 hours. And I have to do many activities also. I'm right now quite passionate and also so and energy. I have so energy after doing some activities and after achieving something. Yeah, I did. I was not practicing self-talk for few days. When I was in beginner, in when I was in beginning time, that time I was doing self-talk, but in the middle of the practice and when I started having conversation, that time I stopped making that much self-talk or solo video because most of the time I was occupied with conversations video. But right now I'm fully prepared myself to speak in front of camera anything that what I want, and as I was doing earlier when I was in beginning time, but I stopped and again I am back to talk anything, and you can listen, you will learn by listening this.